Dear viewers, this is video number 3 about ointment. In previous 2 videos, you have learned about definition of ointment, composition of ointment, uses of ointment, characteristics of ointment, and application of ointment. While in this video, you will learn about types of ointment and advantages and disadvantages of ointment. Number 5, types of ointments. Number 1, medicated ointments. Medicated ointments contain active ingredients for treating specific conditions such as infections, that is antibiotic ointments, or inflammation, corticosteroid ointments. Number 2, non-medicated ointments. Non-medicated ointments used only for their protective and moisturizing properties, often found in products like petroleum jelly. Next point is advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: long lasting, effective at retaining moisture, and good for localized treatment. Disadvantages: can be greasy, may contain clothing, and can feel heavy on the skin. Conclusion: this was all about ointments. Ointments are a valuable form of topical medication, especially for conditions that benefit from a prolonged application of medication or moisture. Dear students and my respected viewers, if you like this video, you may share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.